Right, so today we're going to discuss the problem and solution essays based on this model, actually. So we're going to read it and we're going to discuss the ideas here inside. So first of all, topic. Many offenders commit more crimes after serving the first punishment. Do you know these words? Commit crimes, offenders, serve, punishment?
Punishment and commit, I can't remember meaning.
So commit is like to do, but it's used with crimes. You can say do a crime. You can say, you should say commit crime. Okay, serve punishment. Like they go to prison and then they go back. It's like serving, right? It's like they
Okay.
are spending their time in prison. And so like offenders are these people who have committed crimes. They are criminals. So they commit more crimes after serving the first punishment, meaning that when people go to prison and then go back, after prison, they make more crimes. So this is the idea here. And the questions, why is it happening? First question. Second, what measures can be taken to tackle this problem? Tackle a problem means to solve a problem. It's like an academic version of saying solve problem. So what can be done to solve it? You know, why and what can be done? So it means the roots of this problem and the solutions to the problem. And now we're starting to read. Can you read this intro?
A large number of criminals who serve their first prison sentence leave prison only to reoffend. This is mainly because of the lack of rehabilitation and difficulty finding regular employment once released. There are a number of solutions which should be implemented to deal with criminals who reoffend.
Thanks. You see, there are three sentences here. First one is the topic, paraphrasing. Yeah, like this idea paraphrased into this. Large number of criminals who serve their first prison sentence, prison, not prison. They leave prison only to reoffend. Reoffend means offend back. It means like to do something again, to make crime again. Yeah? Then it's like the topic. This sentence is about the roots. So you see, like it's asking, why is it happening? And the author says, this is mainly because of the lack of rehabilitation and difficulty finding regular employment once released. So two problems here, yes? Two reasons. First one is the lack of rehabilitation. Rehab, you know? Rehabilitation means living again, like if you talk about it. It means like living in society with people again, yeah? And then it's difficulty, so it's hard to find a regular job after prison. So these are two reasons why this is happening. And then this sentence is solutions, but it doesn't specify solutions, but they say just there are a number of solutions which can be implemented to deal with the criminals who reoffend. Implemented, it means like to put, to be done. Yeah, so like some solutions can be done here. Okay, can you read the first body paragraph here?
Firstly, the reason for most first-time offenders committing crimes again once they have been released from prison is due to the lack of rehabilitation within prison. In other words, offenders are not given a chance to retrain and learn new skills for their future or develop a deeper understanding of correct moral behavior, and instead mix with other criminals, which only strengthen their
Strengthens.
criminal intentions.
Mhm.
Secondly, repeat offending is also owing to the difficulty in finding employment after being released. As a result, many of them struggle financially, which leads them back to crime, regardless of the consequence.
Yeah, you're right. So some hard words here, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, hard words. And you know, like while we're here, you can write them down and write like the meaning of it. So you see, this is the body paragraph about reasons. And there are two ideas inside here. First one is this. The reason for most first-time offenders is due to the lack of rehabilitation whilst in prison. Whilst is like while, but it's like older form. This idea is explained then. In other words, offenders, so criminals, they are not given a chance to retrain, to train again, to have a good new profession and learn new skills for the future, or develop a deeper understanding of correct moral behavior. So like they cannot understand how to behave normally, yeah, among people. And instead, they mix with other criminals. So it means they talk to other criminals in prison. And this only strengthens, like improves or make it stronger, their criminal intentions, their criminal desires, intentions. So they want to be criminals again, you see, because they mix with other criminals. So this is the first idea here. Second idea. Secondly, repeat offending. So it, like this process of committing crimes again is also owing to the difficulty. Owing to it means because. It's because it's difficult to find employment or a job after being released. Released, it means like after being free.
I know.
So after prison, it's hard to find a job. And as a result, it's the consequence of this idea. Many of them struggle financially. Struggle meaning have problems. So they have problems financially, financial problems, money. And this leads them back to crime, regardless of the consequences. Regardless, it means like they don't look at the consequences. They don't think about like, I'm gonna go to prison again. They just do it again because they need money. Yeah. So this is the first body paragraph. It has two ideas, right? First one is lack of rehabilitation. And then second is difficulty in finding a job. Okay. Now, can you read this second body paragraph?
There are two effective solutions to the problem of repeat offenders. One way to tackle this is to ensure that all criminals entering prison are given the chance to retrain with successful, useful skills which will hopefully ensure them a job after they have served their sentence. By doing this, it will help them reintegrate back into society and gives them some means of supporting themselves financially. Another method of dealing with criminals who reoffend is to have more supervision and check in place when they are back in society. This solution would hopefully prevent them from taking any chance and deter them from reoffending because they are being so closely watched.
Thanks. So there are two solutions here. And you see like these solutions, they go from these reasons. So here, first reason was lack of rehabilitation. And here they say that in prison, they can be given a chance to retrain with skills. And then they could find a job after it. Yes. And by doing this, they will reintegrate. Integrate is like to enter, to come in back into society and give them some means of supporting themselves financially, meaning giving them some way to earn money. It's first one. Second one is method of dealing with criminals who reoffend is to have more supervision. Supervision is like more control over them and checks in place when they're back in society. So like they should be controlled and checked after it, after prison. And this solution would prevent them from taking any chances and deter them from reoffending because they're being so closely watched. A deter is like to stop them from reoffending because they are watched, they are controlled. So two solutions here. First one is to give them some skills in prison. And second is to control them. And if you do that and that, then these prisoners, these criminals, they will not reoffend. So it means they will not do the crime again. Yes, like thus, these solutions are solving these problems. Okay, and conclusion. I'm gonna read it. In conclusion, having training in prison and also close observation when first-time offenders are released are effective in dealing with this issue. If governments implemented these solutions, crime figures would soon drop. So 2 sentences. First one is the conclusion itself, when they are just summing up ideas. So what ideas? Having training in prison, like skills, and also close observation, control. These are effective in dealing with this issue. And then second sentence is like an advice or recommendation of a person. If governments implemented these solutions, crime figures would drop. It means these rates, levels of crimes, they will drop, they will decrease.
Get low.
Yes, they'll get low. So you see, this is a very good essay, very well written, a lot of good words here. Yeah. Okay, and guys who watch it as a video, your task would be to write the essay on another topic. Just one sec. Small local shops. Yeah, this one is good, I think. Or okay, let's take this one. So guys who are watching this video, and actually Tamerlan, you're also gonna work on this essay now. An increasing number of professionals, such as doctors and teachers, are leaving their own poorer countries to work in developed countries. What problems does this cause? What solutions can you suggest to deal with this situation? Your homework after watching this video is to write the essay about it. Good luck.
Okay.